Hey, what's up, traders? Just one trade today. It's all we could find. When we opened everything up this morning, saw the SPY, realized that we had a pretty decent little gap down, closed right around 400 or so yesterday, and we opened up down in the 390s or 395, something around there. And yeah, when we have gap down days like this, I don't really expect too much going into the bell. So anything that we do get is usually just a nice surprise. And so, yeah, TAL popped up on the scanners, and this ended up being a pleasant surprise. You can see previous day high 620. We zoom in, you can see a little bit of previous resistance here around that 645, 635 area. And yeah, we got a nice little pop out of the gate. Wasn't anything too crazy. Ended up starting this one a little bit too early. Should have waited for that pop through 7. But it really felt like it was trying to struggle. It was really struggling here around that 690 area and started it as it was coming down. And as you can see, we started 684 with 200 shares. It did come down to 678. So it did temporarily work. But right after that, I was looking for 670 for the retest. You can kind of see that little bit of resistance here where it kind of came up, tried to stall a little bit, and then went higher. So that's kind of what I was looking for take profit. Didn't quite get it, and it decided to go higher. So added up through 7. Once it felt like it was done moving, went up to 711, hit it on the way down, 707, added 200 there. And then it decided to go higher, hit it at 711 again, as it tried to go higher at 720 exactly. And we hit it on the way down again. So as it was coming down, made a nice move down to 7. Our average at this point was 7. I believe it was like exactly 7, maybe even like a little less. I don't remember exactly what it was. It was 7, close to 7-1. I don't remember. But as it came down, we ended up taking 400 of the 600 that we had off here at 695. Decent little winner on that. And then we just scaled out the rest throughout. So took another half there, leaving us with 100. Then we took 50 off. And then we took, I believe, half of whatever that was. This line's getting in the way. Lines are not being friendly. There we go. So 675, took another half off there. Oh, that's right. That's why I didn't see the last arrow. There it is. Took half of 25 off there, 12 shares. So we were left with 13 and came all the way down to the previous area. And I was going to try to hold on to it for a little bit longer. But I was really looking at yesterday's close, figured it would try to bounce there, which it didn't. So took it off and then it actually went lower and then worked its way back up. But yeah, decent little trade there. Pretty happy with it overall. Tried to hold on to as much as we could. For not building up that much size, we actually ended up making a decent amount on this one. I don't know exactly how much I was down. 600 shares, so 60, so 120. We were about down 120 and we made 60 on it. That's pretty good. Making half our risk on the front side strat. It's usually not what you see. Usually you make about like 30% at max. And I've been doing really good with this, making like 50 to 70%. So pretty happy with that. A lot of that has to do with me top ticking a lot, but that's all I got today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave those down below in the comment section. If you want to find me on Discord or Twitter, those links are in the description. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.